Vermin. Nasty vermin.
Who could have done this? Was her, Sergeant. Mrs. Meanie. She's gone too far this time. She tried to kill him.
I understand, ma'am. I'll handle this.